Hi! So a lot of you have been asking me about the HŌME Mind, Body, and Spirit membership community. So I wanted to give you a little bit more details and actually give you a little tour of what's inside so you can actually see. But before I do that, I did want to share who this is for and all the benefits so you can see if it's something that you feel called to do. So the number one benefit I would say is to relieve stress, to take care of yourself. And when I say yourself, I mean your whole self, mind, body, and spirit. It's to feel more confident, more empowered to achieve what you want, to go after your dreams, your goals, and your aspirations. And then also to build more strength, more inner strength, more resilience to overcome challenges and any difficult moments that may come your way, and to be able to overcome them with more ease and more peace, and to be able to move through those moments faster and be able to regulate and manage your mind and your emotions as well. And then it's also about leading your life with intention and purpose to create what you want in your life, and all aligned with your values and what's most important to you in this moment. And then to feel at peace and fulfilled and happy and joyful right now, right here in this moment, no matter what is going on with your life. So the result is really your happiest, your most happy, most healthy, and fulfilling life. So let me show you what's inside. So we're inside the private members page, and each month is a different topic, and we move through the year really consciously. So the first part of the year is about setting our intentions. Like the month of January is the art of intention setting, really getting clear in our vision and what we want to create in our life. And as we move through the year, we move more into abundance, like being able to elevate ourselves, being able to feel self-empowered and be self-empowered. Towards the middle of the year, we kind of reconnect and realign with our vision. And then towards the end of the year, we move into, creating balance in our life. We work a lot with gratitude, which is a beautiful and key practice. And as we move through the year into the end of the year, we kind of end the year with relaxing and self-reflecting. So this is the page for this month, and it's the art of intention setting. And what you get here, you'll see it, right? The art of intention setting yoga workshop. You get a live workshop, and you can attend live or watch the replay. And this one's actually happening this Sunday. So if you come join us, we can see you on Sunday. It's at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you can join the live workshop. You'll get the replay if you can't make it live. And then you have all these supporting documents. I call them conscious living resources. So there's a mindfulness guidebook, a day planner and wellness sheet, and an affirmation sheet as well. So the mindfulness guidebook really takes you through this journey step by step. There's a little love letter from me always in the beginning. You have morning meditations, evening meditations, and a yoga practice. And we move through steps, right? And there's nuggets of wisdom in here. And then there's also mindfulness exercises. So there's journaling prompts for you to reflect. And if you don't have a journaling practice, I highly, highly recommend it. It's significantly enhanced and improved my life tenfold just having that practice. And the cool thing about the membership in this mindfulness guidebook is that you get here prompts and everything that you can reflect on. So it's very guided and supportive. So you don't have to try to figure out on your own or anything like that. You already have it there. All you have to do is just do it. And the power of putting pen to paper is it really creates this, when we're thinking about things in our mind, our thoughts come so quickly, right? And when we put pen to paper, we're really able to slow down those thoughts and really be able to process not just what's going in our mind, but our emotions to create what we want. And being intentional with our day and taking action is key in succeeding in achieving what we want, right? And what we want to create in our lives, in all areas of our life, really. So the next conscious living supporting document is the day planner and wellness sheet. So the day planner and wellness sheet is just a guide. You can use this sheet and like print it out. But you can also just use it as a guide in your own journal. And it basically helps and supports you to cultivating daily gratitude, which is such a powerful practice. The three most important things to choose to do in the day, and I don't like to call them to-dos anymore. It's like what you're choosing to do and create in your life, and it can be in regards to work, it can be personal. You set your day's intention, so how you want to feel, what you want to create for the day. You can journal and think about what is going through your mind in that moment to process it. You can also use the journaling prompts in the guidebook that I just showed you. And there is a space for affirmations, which is going to take me to the next document, the affirmation sheet. So inside, you'll just find a little guide about affirmations, how to use your affirmations. And then I always give you affirmations each month to inspire you. And we leave some space for you to create your own as well. And affirmations are always written in the present moment. And the idea is to support you to feel and to feel how you want to feel in this moment and be who you most want to be right now in this moment in the present. So those are the monthly supporting documents. I give a little note on journaling and support you with how to practice that. You always get a meditation, and the meditations are usually around 10 minutes, a guided meditation. 10 to 15 minutes. There's a morning gratitude meditation to cultivate that daily gratitude practice, and also setting your intentions, and then an evening gratitude meditation, which is super relaxing because you get a full body scan to relax your whole body. It's beautiful, and everything is set to sounds of the ocean and ocean waves, which are really relaxing. And all the members always tell me that they really love that part. There's also a yoga class. So aside from the yoga workshop that we looked at or talked about before, you also get a pre-recorded class that you can do at your own time, on your schedule, right, in the comfort of your home. And usually it's between 20 and 30 minutes. So a shorter version, so that you can get your practice in, during the week or whenever you have time. And then I give you a little bit of notes too on setting up your practice. And the key always, it's all about enjoying the journey right now in this moment, right? Detaching from the outcome and choosing to be delighted by what's to come. And a key thing about being a member too is that your contribution and your commitment to the membership community is what helps provide for all the free yoga and conscious living resources to anybody that needs it. We have a video library on YouTube with all the free resources. So obviously a heartfelt thank you from all of us who decide to commit to do the membership and join us. So that's the grand tour of what's inside. I would be so happy and delighted to have you join us and to continue to share life's journey with you, and obviously to see all your goals, your dreams, and your aspirations unfold for you, to see you being your best self and living your best life. That's my ultimate goal with this membership, is supporting you in doing that. So if you feel ready and committed to create what you want in your life, to be your best self and to live your best life, I welcome you and invite you personally to join us on the HŌME Mind, Body, and Spirit membership community. The link is in my bio or below, depending on where you're watching this. And yeah, I'm excited and hope to see you inside.